In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that works more than a buy and sell indicator. And if you are going to buy and sell according to this indicator, then you can have very good results. Because if you just look at the predictions that this indicator is making, they are very accurate. Okay, so I will explain you that how you can tackle this indicator, because this is the very good indicator and better than all buy and sell indicators that are available on the web, because it automatically tells you where to buy and where to sell, and you just need a slight common sense with it. Before I jump into this video, guys, visit the website fxmentorus.com. My website link is given in the description of this video below, and you can join the best broker. I have given the banner on my website. This is the broker that I'm using from 2015 and never had any withdrawal problems. And second thing, it is regulated and the most trusted reputation on Google. So just need to click on get started, and also the link is given in the description of this video. Okay, guys, if you look at the indicator section, so these are my private indicators, the big players, and the bank indicator. They are my best sellers, and you can see that how these indicator perform. Just check the Telegram channel, and you will see my trading in the group, and you will see that how I effectively use these both indicators that are based on some institutional trading. And these are the bank levels, and I have a proper swing method to trade these bank levels as well. So just check the Telegram and you will have more details. And if you want to book the lifetime version of these indicators, you can contact on Telegram, email, and the web and the web and all details are provided in the description of this video below. Okay, guys, so I'm going to remove this indicator, and here we need to go inside the indicator section, and here we need to write imbalanced. Okay, so you will write fully word imbalanced, and this indicator will come, that is called imbalanced zone, and the name of the author is Frozen. Okay, and you can see that this indicator is also getting a good reputation right now. So if I attach this indicator, you can see it's basically you can see that it's kind of making a order block. So basically these are not order blocks, these are imbalance zones. It basically calculates the price action of the market and tells you that where from the market can be up or can be down. Okay, now if you just look at this zone, then when the candle pumps up, then it has created that zone. So there is a more likely chance that the market will come to make a retest here, and after making a retest, the price can simply go into the upward direction. Okay, and I will tell you that how you can use a better strategy with it. Okay, so for example, this is the buying retest and the price can go up, so you can use this indicator in this regard. Okay, so for example, if we are going to the indicator section, and if we write EMA, and here if I go and check the settings and go to the inputs, this is the imbalance zone, EMA. Okay, so if I add the 200 period EMA, okay, and if I give it a white color, good level of thickness, okay, now you can see. Okay, okay, here the imbalance was created above. Okay, so let's see step by step. Okay, now just look at this. This is the thing that you need to do. Okay, so below the 200 EMA, that imbalance is created, and you can see that was the good point to sell. Okay, okay, now when the price is already very down, so do not trade these imbalances, because they can be dangerous. So always catch your imbalances exactly from the trend change or near to the 200 EMA. They will be much better. Okay, so for example, if I take you on a gold chart, then what you see, the price action was above the 200 EMA. Now you can see the first imbalance here. Okay, the second is created here, and now you can see the price is simply going up. So very easy trade. And if you go to my Telegram group, you will see that I have also taken a buy position on gold. Okay, now you can see the price action was below the 200 EMA, and that was the imbalance. So you can take your chance for sure. Okay, so this is the simple method. I mean, you don't need any kind of technical analysis. Just leave the imbalances when the price action is above the 200 EMA, and that's a bearish imbalance. No, don't trade that one. Always go with the trend. Now just look at this trade. This is the good imbalance that is created on pound AUD, and now you can see the price is done. So as simple you will keep the strategy, then more profits you can make from the trading. You can see this imbalance and the price action was below the 200 EMA. You can see a rejection. This is how this simple method works, and this is very powerful. Okay, So, guys, this is all about this strategy. If you like this strategy, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and there are more lot of more videos that will be shared on the YouTube channel. And second thing, if you are willing to do something best, then come and book the lifetime versions of my big player and the bank indicator. My website link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much.